Welcome to White Hat Zone, the white glove standard of trading education and structured social trading insight. Today we're breaking down how to choose the right trader to follow, because the trader you select will determine your entire experience inside social trading. So when evaluating a trader, don't look at 1 week or one highlight month. Look at their long-term behavior. Consistent traders win by doing the same thing repeatedly over months and years. Short-term spikes mean nothing without long-term structure. A good trader isn't defined by the size of their wins, but by how they handle losing periods. Every trader has drawdowns, and what matters is how controlled those drawdowns are and how effectively the trader recovers. Professionals treat drawdowns like weather patterns, temporary phases, not emergencies. Most beginners judge a trader by the highest percentage gain they've ever seen. Professionals judge a trader by how they manage risk. How much do they risk per trade? Do they protect capital? Do they stay disciplined when the market gets tough? A trader who controls risk will always outlast a trader who chases results. And every trader has a different style. Some move slowly and steadily, some take fast, high energy positions, some use rolling drawdowns strategically, others don't. Choosing the right trader means choosing the right style for your risk tolerance, not forcing yourself into something you don't understand. At White Hat Zone, we study traders who have demonstrated discipline over time. The Golden Edge trades with calm structure and low risk. Aurum brings beautiful consistency to the gold markets. Convexus trades with a high reward style that accepts tighter stop losses but high risk stop losses, but seeks massive RR risk reward outcomes. These are educational examples only, not recommendations, and past results never guarantee future performance. If you want to learn how to evaluate traders properly with real understanding of risk, drawdowns, and strategy style, click the link below and join the White Hat Zone Learning Center for free. Trade smart, trade ethical, trade white hat.